Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about internet computer price prediction and internet computer news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for internet computer in 2022. Internet computer is the world's first blockchain that runs at the speed of the internet with unlimited bandwidth. It represents the third major innovation in blockchain technology after Bitcoin and Ethereum, a blockchain computer that scales smart contract calculations and data, produces them at the speed of the internet, processes and stores data efficiently, and provides powerful development frameworks. By making all this possible, internet computer allows the next step to completely rethink software. It provides a revolutionary new way to build tokenized internet services, industry-wide platforms, decentralized financial systems, and even traditional enterprise systems and websites. The project was founded in October 2016 by Dominic Williams and aroused significant interest from the crypto community. Today you will learn news about cryptocurrency. Internet computer, ICP, generates bullish divergences despite new all-time low. ICP has been falling alongside a descending resistance line since reaching a high of $87 on September 6. So far, it has decreased by 79%, leading to a new all-time low of $16.81 on February 22. The decrease also caused a breakdown from the $29 horizontal support area. ICP has bounced slightly since, and could soon make an attempt at breaking out from the descending resistance line. If so, the $29 area would not be expected to provide resistance. The daily chart shows signs of a potential trend reversal, visible in the form of a very significant bullish divergence, green lines, in both the MACD and RSI. Such pronounced divergences usually preceded bullish trend reversals. Therefore, they suggest that an eventual breakout from the resistance line is expected. If the $32 area is reclaimed, then the next resistance would be all the way at $58. This is a horizontal resistance area, and coincides with the 0.618 Fib retracement resistance level when measuring the entire drop. Wave count analysis. The wave count suggests that ICP has completed a 5-wave downward movement, or is very close to doing so. Wave 5 has taken the shape of an ending diagonal, which implies that the ensuing reversal is likely to be swift. The impulse also has compatible Fib ratios. Wave 5 is 0.618 the length of wave 3, black, while wave 1 has the length of the other two waves combined, since it is the one that extended. As a result of the confluence of all these factors, it is possible that ICP has reached a bottom, or will do so in the very near future. Next news. Ethereum ETH price advances toward 50 DMA at $34K. Ethereum integration on ICP's 2022 roadmap. Internet computer, ICP, Infinity Foundation's blockchain, will roll out Ethereum integration in Q3 2022 with the Vanadium Vitalik release. The purpose of integration is to overcome the limitations of traditional blockchains and smart contracts for better speed, storage costs, security, and scalability. Technically speaking, the Ethereum ETH price makes an attempt for an upside break above the $2,600 resistance level. Ether has descended from the resistance turn support $3,400 initially. Further, after breaching the 50 DMA at $4,357.09 on December 9, the Ethereum price has been on the continuous decline. The pair breached the second important horizontal support zone on January 22 briefly, and recovered after testing the lows of $2,159. These levels were last seen in July. Now, the Daily Relative Strength Index, RSI, is trading at 37 with a bullish crossover. The setup supports the current upside momentum. At the United States dollar could target a 20% upside momentum from the current levels. A decisive close above the $3,400 would meet the next resistance hurdle of $4,000. On the other hand, Michael Less explained to Cointelegraph. So, when you make a transaction on the internet computer in Bitcoin, it actually changes the Bitcoin ledger versus what you see today, with a bridge. It's like a wrapped Bitcoin or wrapped Ether. Less explained that Infinity has chosen to prioritize these integrations to help facilitate its vision for a multi-chain future. He said, if Bitcoin is going to be around forever, how do we actually provide the best user experience is to combine all these networks directly. In December, Infinity enabled smart contracts, called canisters in its ecosystem, to hold their own balances of ICP tokens. The ICP currently supports 250,000 queries per second, executed with 1 to 2 second transaction finality. ICP on canisters was the important feature that made it viable, and it will probably go crazy once direct integration with BTC and ETH are released. Kyle Peacock, lead software engineer at Infinity, told Cointelegraph. On Friday, Cointelegraph reported that the internet computer blockchain had welcomed its first decentralized exchange, DEX, Sonic, with at least 2 other exchanges in the works. Upcoming polychain capital-backed DEX Infinity Swap appears to be orienting itself to capitalize with this upcoming integration with Bitcoin. According to Lee, it will allow users to stake their Bitcoin, BTC, as liquidity providers. Related. First Exxon Internet Computer launches, others coming soon. The ICP token rose 56% in the first 5 days of the new year, amid a flurry of optimistic news. However, it was one of the worst performing crypto assets in 2021, dumping 97% from its May all-time high. On January 4th, Binance announced it would list a financial instrument that would enable traders to directly swap ICP to and from Ethereum's native token, Ether, ETH. The idea for a perpetual world computer was inspired by Ethereum technologist Dominic Williams, who became a co-founder and the chief scientist at Finity. So next news. Cardano, near, ICP price analysis. The recent up channel, yellow, breakdown from the $1.59 mark led ADA bears to test the $1.04 level multiple times over the past 12 days. They all fell by 44.2% from 18 January and poked its 9-month low on 22 January. Thus, ADA fell below its EMA ribbons and even lost the vital $1.12 mark resistance. Over the last 2 weeks, they all formed a bearish pennant pattern on its 4-hour chart. While the EMA line still posed a challenge, the upper trend line of the pennant stood as strong resistance. At press time, ADA traded at $1.04. The RSI reclaimed the 40 mark support continued to display a bearish edge. Further, the OBV was in a gradual ascent and affirmed the increasing buying power. But the ADX flashed a substantially weak directional trend for the alt. Since its ath on 15 January, near lost 53. Today we will discuss the Internet Computer Price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The rate of cryptocurrency is one of the most important factors to consider. Whether Internet Computer will survive in the next few years is unknown, but based on analytical data, we have made forecasts for the near future. Internet Computer Course Forecast 2022. ICPs have great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Internet Computer, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $25.15. ICP is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $22.45, a minimum price of $21.82, and a maximum price of $25.15. ICP rate prediction 2023. The cost of Internet Computer will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. ICP is expected to top out at $37.93 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Internet Computer will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average ICP price will be between $32.36 and $33.26 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum ICP price ranges from $32.36 to $37.93 for 2023. Internet Computer Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Internet Computer may be of interest to many.